Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, and I am just getting on the road. I am going to pick up one of our master permaculture designers named Chad Johnson from Duluth, Minnesota, and we are driving down to Austin, Texas to install an epic and beautiful, intelligently designed food forest at a famous movie star's ranch. Now, I can't tell you who for privacy purposes, but this is going to be an amazing week to film a TV pilot about the founder and CEO of our company, Jim Gale. He is going to be a superstar, and we as a company are going to spread the message about food forests everywhere, all around the world. Millions and millions of people will be able to see this, and it's going, like I said, it's gonna be an amazing week. This business has opened up so many doors for my future, and it is amazing how far we have come since the day Jim and I started things together, and then Ian came aboard, and the rest is history. But anyway, it's a 17 and a half hour drive down to Austin, Texas, so I'm gonna get off of here and I'm going to update our trip on the way down and throughout the week, and I'm sure you're going to be seeing a lot of social media stuff posted by our social media expert, Day, and she's amazing. The future is looking so bright. Food forests everywhere, people. Learn to grow food. It is simple, and it is an idea whose time has come. Have a great day. See you.